So this week it's 2 for 1. We're looking at 2 different things you can do from within Sibelius, and they're related to each other, and we can have a look at both of them within their 60-second limit. Let's get started. I'm going to start the timer in 3, 2, 1, go. So the plan is I want to have some blank manuscript paper that I can scribble on. So I'm going to go to the File tab, I'm going to go to Teaching, and it's the Worksheet Creator. In the Worksheet Creator I have the choice of teaching and learning materials or templates. I'm going to go for Template, click on Next, and I'm going to pick either the 12 stave or the 8 stave manuscript paper. I'm going to go for the 8 stave. And you see these rests have appeared. These are hidden objects, so I can go to the View and Hidden Objects and they'll go away. I print that out as often as I need, and that's me get blank manuscript paper. What else can I do from there? Well, I can now go back to the teaching, but this time I'm going to go to the teaching and learning materials, click on Next. I'm going to choose materials for performing because it gives me a whole lot of selected repertoire. So I can go for other piano repertoire in here. Let's go for a little bit of Chopin. How about the Revolutionary Study? Click on Finish. That appears for me, and I can just hit play, or I can print it out and play it on my piano.